Good morning. I am just putting on this transfer on my door. As you can see, I've already done the first sheet and I'm working on the second one now. I just kind of wanted to do the first one by myself, just make sure it was gonna, I don't know, be okay. But my main thing was I was wondering if I probably, I don't know, should have, could have put on a sealer first, and that would have made it more slick, which is what these transfers love, is slickness, but it's going on just fine. And I'm gonna have to seal it when I get done anyway, so I just did not feel like sealing it twice. And this is an interior door, so yeah. So anyway. Oh shoot. Okay, apparently I'm in the wrong page. Well, go ahead and leave it now. It's just leave it. It's fine. It's just fine. Just putting a transfer on my door. Never mind. We thought we were in a different page. Never mind. So just putting this on real quick.
So you want me to send it out later?
I guess. But then can you help me with questions? Because I can't turn around and do it. Now, I've struggled trying to get online this morning, so this has been a feat. I have internet, but my phone was not cooperating.
Kathy Hunley said first time catching you live.
Well, hello and welcome. Ooh. And our light has a tendency to go in and out here in the breezeway. I think we need a new, what is it called, a ballast or something? I don't know. Okay, just making sure I've got this on good, and then I'm going to start pulling it away and make sure that it's on. Oh, and there goes the light again. It's like a slow disco in here. Okay.
Colleen McKay said good morning, Tammy and Courtney.
Hey, Colleen.
Hello.
Okay. Looking good so far. Whoops, just making sure. I think I've actually got it on there pretty good. I say that and then it'll screw up at the end. Oh, there we go. Okay. So sorry, you have to let me know if I get my head in the way. I have the stand sitting in the sink behind me.
Karen Harlos asked premium vinyl.
This is Prima redesign. This is a transfer. It is not vinyl. I don't know how to explain what it is other than it's rub-on.
Kathy Hunley asked, where did you get your transfer and tools?
Well, I am starting to sell for Prima, but this is an old one. We might look and see if you can find any old ones and put links in for them if anybody's looking. You can also put in the link for our store though. You might find something else you like even more, but this was an old one that I've had and I've wanted to use for a long time. So I decided to put it on my door. Sorry, we're laughing because my mom's in the other room and just flipped on Netflix. And it goes, ba-boom. Okay. Don't ask for a reenactment on that. Okay, hopefully. There we go. I am addicted to these things. Not even gonna lie. So Courtney can't pop any links in right now because she's helping me by sitting here to look at them. So, because I've got my back to you guys. Yeah, because I don't have any makeup on, so yeah. Which I don't think, well, you really can't see me. Good deal.
You can really see the door. Good.
Good. Courtney's got it zoomed in just on the door. I think you can see pretty good. So yeah, as soon as I get this on, well, not as soon as, because I got a million things to do. You know, typical Monday. But yeah, sometime soonish, I will get this sealed. Whoops. Oops.
Yeah, that's where it cuts off.
And there, I just messed it up.
Kathy asked, is there a website where we can purchase?
Yes. Like I said, this one is discontinued, but we might be able to find some. We'll put some links in a little bit. As soon as I get off of here and Courtney can go back to her computer, we'll see what we can find for you. We'll put it in our shop. Like I said, our shop won't have it because I just asked them this morning and I haven't heard back, but I'm pretty sure I didn't find this one on the current website, so.
Kathy said, looks easy. What do you seal it with?
I will probably just use my regular top coat. I usually use Dixie Belle in satin or Polyvine varnish, decorator's varnish. I like that a lot too. Either one.
And Kathy said, thanks.
You bet. So yeah, we'll definitely get some links in here later. It gets a little trickier on these skinny little letters. Okay. And then I messed that up a little, which is not a huge deal, but I brought out my marker just in case. I'm just gonna fill it in with my marker. Carefully. Okay. I don't think it's overly obvious. Nobody's going to be sitting here on the floor up close and personal staring at my door to see what I screwed up. So if they are, then they've got more issues than Vogue. So now I'm just going back over it with my finger. Just because if you look at these close, and of course I've got some indentions to deal with here. So I'm going to use my little stick. It comes with the stick.
Kathy said, looks awesome.
Thanks. I like it. And I love the background color. It's just my color. I'm so into the neutrals and tans and all that. Okay. So I was just using my stick to get into any little detail. My fingernail would work too, but be careful because you can scrape these back off. Not very often have I done that, but once in a while, because when they stick, they stick. Usually, if you've got it down good. But then I do go around with my finger around all of them usually because they have a little bit of a clear halo sometimes that it seems like I really don't see much on here. But it just seems like when I do this that it just gets rid of that halo. So I have like a zillion doors in my house that I'm finally getting one done. And I thought about doing some funky stuff, but I think this is all this transfer needs. It stands alone to me. It doesn't need a bunch of stuff going on in the background. So yeah, I'm basically just making sure this is all adhesed well. There, I saw a little bit of a halo that I don't see now after touching it. So yeah, that's it for now, I think. Hope you can see all that. And then we'll pop in some links here since we get off of here in case you should desire to do some doors of your own. I do want to do some funkier doors. Like the one across from me has the 8 panels, the 2 little, and then the 4 bigger ones. With that one, I might just do some funky painting, but I don't know, who knows? And then, yeah, you can't see that over there, but I've got a wild wardrobe going on right now too, so it's got all the things on it. And stenciling might be next, so.
Colleen said, very nice.
So that's it for now. Thanks, Colleen. So yeah, I hope you like it. This is just my door that goes into my breezeway. It is an insulated door, but it doesn't go to the outside and it doesn't get direct sunlight or anything like that. So it is an interior door. So that's it for now. Bye.